Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at RIOT Blockchain. RIOT Blockchain is a Bitcoin miner here in the US, and Bitcoin has been going down, going up. It's been hanging around the $60,000 mark recently, going as high as 66 and low as just under 60 at 58 or so. But that has affected the stock. So the stock's kind of been moving sideways. Really thought once it hit the 60s it would pop back up again. So last time it was Bitcoin was 65,000, the stock was 80 bucks. So the stock is only 27.22, which means it could be undervalued. So look at you do a analysis on the fundamentals of the company, and this company is going to the stratosphere if Bitcoin goes as predicted up into the $1 million range. So this is a good entry point around 20 bucks, 30 bucks. Good entry point for this stock, I think. Right now it's not really time to buy because we can see this technical indicator pointing down, this one's down, and this one's down. This could all change at a moment's notice. Bitcoin is starts shooting up again, breaks that $66,000 mark again, and heads up into the $75,000, $100,000 range. This thing is going to shoot up like crazy. Could easily go to 50 bucks and back to this previous high if people get really excited about it again. It'd be awesome. But this is a bad sign right here. This is death cross, which means the stock's going to go down. I don't put a lot of stock in that. But I've seen reversals pretty quick, especially if the price of Bitcoin starts to skyrocket. This thing is going to the moon. Alright guys, I think that's all I have for right now. If you have some of this stock, you could sell maybe a cash covered put. You could probably sell a covered call on it and be pretty safe if you sell the weeklies. But if a Bitcoin pops, this stock is going up. And I'm going to keep a close eye on these indicators to see when they swap. You can see there's not a lot of movement here in the MACD, so it can swap pretty easily. It would take a little bit more to move the stochastic, and it wouldn't take much to move this moving average either. So stay tuned for more. Be sure you guys subscribe and see my daily options trade along with other wealth building techniques on my channel. Thanks for watching.